8 Health Benefits of Dried Apricot. Loaded with antioxidants and minerals, dried apricots are a storehouse of nutrition and offer tremendous health benefits. Wanna know? Let's get into the video. Number 8. Helps with pregnancy. Are you pregnant? If yes, then you should start having dried apricots. Pregnancy and nursing might alter your body's metabolism. Constipation generally results from an inadequate activity or an imbalanced diet during pregnancy. Fiber-rich foods like dried apricots and adequate hydration may help with digestive problems. When a woman is pregnant, her blood volume rises by 50%, which is why she needs extra iron in her diet. Dried apricots are a good source of iron and could be advantageous in this situation. Number 7. Improve bone density. When you age, your bones are more prone to weakness and injuries. This is because of a reduction in bone density. The loss of bone density is a major cause of osteoporosis in women. Calcium, phosphorus, manganese, iron, and copper all play important roles in bone metabolism. Apricots include a good amount of all of the minerals required for healthy bone growth and formation. They can help treat and prevent osteoporosis and brittle bones because they include the minerals phosphorus, magnesium, and others needed for bone formation and renewal. Apricots also contain good amounts of calcium, which keeps the bone healthy. Number 6. Increased hemoglobin production. Are you suffering from anemia? Dried apricots can be your best friend. For your body to produce more hemoglobin, health professionals advise eating a well-balanced diet rich in minerals like iron and copper. The minerals found in the dried apricots, including copper and iron, aid in the synthesis of hemoglobin. It is an excellent food for anemic patients. Number 5. Boost eye health. Vitamin A is needed for healthy eyes. 13% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin A is found in one apricot. Apricots are one of the foods that assist safeguard your vision because they are a rich source of vitamins and antioxidants. Apricots are high in beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamins C and E. These vitamins and minerals guard your eyes from harm. Number 4. Help with weight gain. Are you the one struggling to gain some pounds? If yes, then all you need are apricots. Fruit that has been dried has a lot of calories and sugar. Consuming excessive amounts of common dried fruits, which contain 38 to 66% sugar, can lead to weight gain. Just 100 grams of dried apricots add 240 calories to your daily calorie intake. Fried apricots are a nutritious choice when it comes to gaining weight. Number 3. Helps with digestion. Dried apricots contain good amounts of fiber, which ensures smooth digestion. They also contain potassium, which lowers cholesterol and prevents several diseases. Number 2. Promote cell protection. Dried apricots are considered excellent for having remarkable anti-cancer effects. It is rich in flavonoids which play an important role in cell protection. Number 1. Good for skin. The antioxidant level in dried apricot is very high. Antioxidants play an important role in maintaining good skin. Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe to the channel.